I am Vishram Singh Meena, Assistant Professor English working at Government PG College Karoli. Through online mode, we are studying English literature. Today, we are going to take alliteration and blank verse. These are literary terms which cover the fifth unit of the syllabus prescribed for BA Part First in Kota University. Let us begin. First of all, we have to take alliteration. Alliteration is one of the figures of speech in English literature. It is the repetition of a speech sound in a sequence of nearby words. It means the same sounds are repeated in the sequence of words in a line. It makes alliteration. It beautifies the language of poetry. Alliteration is divided into two: consonants and assonance. When the consonant sounds are repeated, it is called consonance. For example, we can take the sonnet written by William Shakespeare. The first line of the sonnet: "Went to the sessions of sweet silent thought." Sessions, sweet, silent. So sound is repeated in these words of the first line of the sonnet. Sessions, sweet, silent. So this is an example of consonance because consonant sound is repeated 3 times, while assonance is repetition of similar vowels, especially in stressed syllables in a sequence of nearby words. We can take the opening lines of John Keats' Ode on a Corinthian Urn, which was written in 1820. Thou still unravaged pride of quietness, thou foster child of silence and slow time. Here the vowel still, ravaged, bright, quiet. I is repeated many times. So that is an example of assonance. So we can call alliteration is the figure of speech which is divided into 2 parts: consonants and assonance. Now we move to blank verse. Blank verse is kind of meter which is blank, means there is no rhyme. Blank verse consists of lines of iambic pentameter which are unrhymed. It means there is the meter, iambic meter. So there are 10 syllables in a line. So iambic meter is a pair of two syllables, unstressed and stressed, which are unrhymed. So such kind of line is called blank verse. First time it was used by the Earl of Surrey, namely Henry Howard, in the 16th century. He introduced it. Later on, it was used by John Milton in Paradise Lost in 1667. So there are many examples of poetry where it was used. T.S. Eliot's Wasteland in 1928, The Ring and the Book in 1868, The Prelude by William Wordsworth in 1805. So these are some pieces of poem, pieces of poetry where blank verse was used. So these two are literary terms which are frequently used in English literature: alliteration and blank verse. Summarizing these two, alliteration is the repetition of a speech sound in a sequence of nearby words, while blank verse consists of lines of iambic pentameter which are unrhymed. It is different from free verse in the sense that free verse is free from meter and rhyme. There is neither rhyme nor meter in free verse, while blank verse is blank in the sense that there is no rhyme, but it contains a meter in it, which is an iambic pentameter. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.